This is the letter S. This is also the letter S. Capital S, lowercase s. S makes the sound S, like silly and sit and sand. This is the letter A. This is also the letter A. Capital A, lowercase a. The letter A says A, like apple, A. This is the letter T. This is also the letter T. Capital T, lowercase t. The letter T says T, like teddy and op, or cat. This is the letter P. This is also the letter P. Capital P, lowercase p. P says P, like pop and puff and pants. This is the letter I. This is also the letter I. Capital I, lowercase I. The letter I says I, like it, is, in, or ink. This is the letter N. This is also the letter N. Capital N, lowercase n. The letter N makes the sound N, like no and new and noise.